So hi guys, so this is Shika and I have a special guest today, which is my lovely brother. Say hi Vicky.
Hi, Vicky. Today I am with my sister to say about Python.
Yeah, okay. So today we're going to build a salary calculator that's simple, clean and actually useful. So grab your IDE and let's
Begin.
yes. So I'm using online GDB Python compiler. So all right, let's start. So first we read a basic salary from user using input function and typecast it into integer or float or any data type your project needs. So here I'm typecasting into integer. Yeah. So int input. So next, then we're going to calculate DNS allowance, which is DA for short, and it is
40% of basic.
yeah. So it is 40% of basic. So if you don't know how to convert the 40% into normal numbers, then you can just assign it to a variable like this. So we're going to take a variable called x. So x is equal to 40 slash 100. And then we're going to take our main variable dA. So and then we're going to multiply basic star x. And then we're going to calculate house rent allowance, which is short for HRA, and it is 30% of basic. So we're going to do the same. We're going to assign it to a variable y. So y is equal to 30 slash 100. And then we're going to take a main variable HRA. And then we're going to do the same basic star y. Then we're going to calculate prominent funds, this PF for short, and then it is 12% of our basic salary. So we're going to do the same again, same old thing. So we'll say Z is equal to 12 slash 100. So and then we're going to take our main variable PF. PF is equal to basic star Z. So and then we calculate the gross salary by adding gross is equal to basic plus DA plus HRA. Yeah. And then we're going to calculate our net salary. Net salary is equals to so we're going to subtract PF from our gross salary, and in that way we can get our net salary. Yeah. So and then finally we print the results to our user screen. So we're going to use print statements.
Yes.
Okay, so print, print, need our variable to show up. So we're not going to put it in double quotations. We're going to write it separately with a comma, which is compulsory. That's syntax, of course. So we're going to do the same with gross. So print, uh, yeah, gross salary is next, we're going to put comma. So gross, that's a variable name and bracket. So print, we're going to do the same with net also, same old thing.
So, 10 class.
Yeah,
Engineer.
no.
Only
So grow your net
salary is. Oh, oh,
net. Yeah. So that's it. So let us run the program and see. Run. So what number you want to write? Type it. Okay, so he wants to type 6,000. Type it.
okay.
Okay, so what do we learn in this session?
Assignment operator, arithmetic operator,
Yeah,
reading from user,
yes,
print to user screen.
very good. Yeah, so we learned those four things. So,
In the
yeah,
Python.
so like,
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 comment,
share,
and subscribe.